Hi there, welcome to the channel. This is the first of the Advent piano series that I'm doing for Christmas songs. I know I've already done a few on my channel, but I'm going to do a mixture of some more traditional ones as well. And my aim is to try and upload one a day right in the lead up to Christmas. And we're going to kickstart it off with Away in a Manger. Let's have a look at the right hand melody first. So this is in the key of F major, and we're going to start on middle C. So I'm going to go C, F, F, G, A, F, F, A, B flat, C, C, D, B flat. Let's try that again. And the next bit goes G, A, B flat, C, A, F, A, G, D, F, E. So let's try that from the very beginning. And the left hand with that is playing an F major chord, so F, A, C, 3 times. And then it's going to move to a G minor, which is G, B flat and D. And then a C major inversion, which is E, G and C. And then back to F major. And then we have a G, B flat and C this time. And then we're going to move down to C sus4, which is C, F and G. And then we're going to resolve that to the E. And that fits together like this. F major, F, F, G minor, C major, F major, C sus4. Okay, so then the next part in the right hand, so we're going to try and build it up and amp it up a bit and play some low notes in the left hand as well. So the right hand is going similar to beginning. C, F, F, G, A, F, F. And then you could play in thirds the melody from here. So play F and A, G and B flat, A and C, and then B flat and D, and then G and B flat, E and G, F and A, G and B flat, C, and then G, D, D and E, and then C and F. So let's try that bit again. And then in thirds. And the left hand is playing an F major chord, so you could still play it the way we were playing it in the beginning, or you could have a go at playing it this way, so F, A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C, and then B flat, D, G, or you could have a go at playing it, adding more notes, and then we're going to go to a C. And then we have this descending progression, just octaves, but if you can't stretch octaves, just play single notes. We've got F, E, D, and then G minor again, C and G, and then F major, and you can end on a lower F. So I'll play that again. So now I'm going to slowly put that together. So that concludes the tutorial. So like in all my videos, the full chord song lyric structure has been listed in the description box below so you can play along and piece it together. Stay tuned for tomorrow and you can find out what the next Christmas song tutorial is going to be. Equally, if you have any Christmas song requests or just any song at all, please leave them in the comment section below and I will discuss it with you all there. If this video has been useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bitesize Piano if you haven't already. For many more tutorials like this one, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!